Gabe, Nonstop TV. With my boy Benny.
I lined up to race him, but nobody put up next to me, bro. I want the smoke, man.
Man, you already know I'm the first one up.
I want the smoke, bro. I want somebody to put up next to me.
I mean, we can go.
I'll turn up the AC and everything. It's good.
No, I got the AC on. I got the AC on too.
Wow.
That shit.
Those bikes sound good.
Hi. How are you? Good, how are you?
Going up to the meet at the airport. Hella people here, dog. Just how it was last time. Bro, it's gonna get bigger, bro. Wow. Give it some time.
I know it just started.
Bro, people with like the
Chains around their car.
right. He was like, "Are you judging?" I was like, "Nah."
I don't want
This
to
shit sounds crazy, bro.
It's dirty.
Mine is too. It's cool. It's cool. We live in Ohio, bro.
Shit, it's always gonna be dirty. Puerto Rican's good.
Them rims are fire, boy. Bruh. The vibes. Why is it red? Why? That shit fire. See, I need me like a sticker right here, bro.
Just ask me where I got it.
I know we can get them, bro. Like, I'm gonna get the cartel one. I've seen it. I guess they're all Team Candela. Hey, well, I gotta beat the joint, Team Candela.
Me sentía completo porque no me amaba. Le dije adiós a Cupido, nunca la escuché. Que descansar pa' no lo necesitaba. Y ahora que lo busco no me responde. Y muchos dicen que mataron a Cupido. Oh. Pero pasa el tiempo y me di cuenta que no hay vida si no hay amor. Y muchos dicen que mataron a Cupido. Pero pasa el tiempo y me di cuenta que no hay vida si no hay amor. Ay, si no hay amor. Ay, si no hay amor.
How you doing?
What the? I have a question.
Yeah.
How much horsepower?
Almost 400 on E85.
How much does this thing weigh?
I haven't had, I mean,
You got
stock, they're probably around 28, 3,000.
Look how clean that shit is, man. I like the blue.
Thanks, man. Bought the car totaled. It was my first car in high school. Bought it as a show.
Yeah, I like this. Now, this is some Forza shit. Classic Z06. Bro, look at the spoilers, bro.
Watch it right here.
Bro, look at the exhaust.
I guarantee he revs it.
Huh?
I bet he revs it when we walk by.
I've never seen an exhaust. Twin turbo? I think your R8 came with 2 turbos, sir.
Yeah.
That's fire. Sounds good.
Thanks.
Look at the red interior, diamond stitch. Every carbon, all the carbon you want is on here.
Bro,
Everywhere.
these tires are fatter than people on 600-pound life. Like, come look at the back and then go down.
Oh, that shit fat as fuck. Look at this fucking spoiler. Can you even see the turbos? Oh, you can. What the
Yeah, right there. And on both sides. And you can see the engine on top.
This is definitely the fastest car here.
Got the rug.
It's etiquette. Look at the shit.
I wonder what it has to do. Some of it means. It definitely means something.
Yeah.
The number 2.
Literally, that's all I can say.
Twin turbo.
Alright, so that R8 definitely wasn't the fastest car.
It just depends on what the
No.
like drag. Some of these cars are drag,
This shit is definitely beating the R8.
but like any other car. This is straight American muscle right here.
Damn, this shit hard. Look at the rim. Look at the rims.
This is it right here.
Damn, look at the
Z28.
seats.
67 Camaro.
Look at the
Chicken. Rio 2.
I feel like everybody sleep unless everybody else would be here.
Saturday morning.
Damn, that tire is fat
If you see a fat tire like that, just keep driving.
as fuck. This thing's shitting on the Corvette. Damn. No, this. You said what?
They really do a 2021 in with all the old cars.
Dude. This shit's fire.
Look at the golf cart. The golf cart got a drag race.
This is a death trap. Drag cars over here. I feel like that's all how car meets are. Cause everybody be drag shit. These are hard. I was looking for these Beamer M3s on the market.
Yeah.
Found like two. $65,000.
No, literally.
65,000 for one, 68 for the other.
And they're flat for
You can't find these anywhere. Especially in this condition too.
Yeah, this is crazy.
Manual.
Mint.
Mint. Look at the tag.
M3.
Historical vehicle. Why are so many bees around me, bro?
Okay, tell me trying this.
Oh, this color is perfect.
Paint match engine.
I know. I saw him pull up. This shit's so tough.
The Fitment is.
That's what I'm saying.
And then the Beamer right here.
Yeah, this M4 right here is
Oh, I didn't even see the M4.
M4 Smart. I've seen that before. M4 Definitely seen this man.
Look at the diffuser. Carbon.
Fit make me crazy. So this shit gotta be that great.
Manual. It's
It's literally like the Fitment is crazy. There's no way.
yeah, because he's not scraping. You'll be able to see.
He's not scraping.
We would be able to see.
Candy can't relate. He'd be scraping all the time.
Yeah, everything. Pile of water.
I gotta figure out which one I want to buy in a couple of years. AUDI.
This one's supercharged, black. I like the color.
It's nowhere
win, bro, I'm dropping that top back, nigga. We got S2K, bro. What you mean?
Just throwing the North Face, man. God, the North be fresh as fuck. People be mad as fuck. Like, look at this dude.
What year is it?
It's an 11.
11.
Clean. Look at these. Jesus Christ. Look at this front splitter.
It's so clean. Like, I don't like having a white car, but keeping it clean, bro.
Yeah. Oh, bro, look at the hood. Is that a tomato?
You can get some crazy power out of these.
6 liter?
Yeah, they're V8s. Oh, there's another Predator. Uh-oh. Calm down.
It looks so much better on his car.
Sorry.
No, that's all right.
What kind of hood
I
is?
just know when to back up.
What kind of hood is this? Where'd you get your hood from?
It's wrapped.
Oh, it's wrapped.
I was gonna say.
that shit.
Yeah,
that's
it's a
fire.
wrapped hood. Thanks. Listen, this is my boyfriend's. That one's mine, but.
This one's yours, the big
yeah,
body
the
one?
Durango's mine.
Oh, this,
is his.
I heard you guys coming in, bro.
Yeah.
Is this a 6.4 liter? Yeah.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
This thing was sounding gnarly, bro.
Well, I was gonna say, it doesn't have that same motor anymore.
With the Corsa exhaust. Dirtier than your chick's knees. Cool. Why do people always hate on? Oh damn, we should have stayed over there.
Place. You might be parking. Park behind the Lambo.
Yes, sir.
Look how fat his tire is.
What color is that? GTR is so clean. Excuse me. What color is it?
It's wrapped. It's called Dragon Fire Red.
Dragon.
Fire.
Saw you bump that.
Yeah, Volkswagen.
What? I don't even look like a red, bro. I probably am colorblind.
Dragon Fire Red.
That's just chopping. That shit is just chopping.
In a Mexican prison. How do you like that? You don't
These
like
guys-
Oh, bro, the doors, holders.
Yeah, that's fine.
Rato is mine. He's mine and he
The
stays.
magnets.
See the front.
You
By busting
understand?
that, let's see.
It's my property and nobody takes
Boy, look
my
at the
property.
steering wheel. Hold on, bro. What the
That
fuck?
shit's straight out of a fucking
He
movie.
had his pen.
It's just like
Look, you got bags.
it's the details. You gotta pay,
Literally the little
you
details.
gotta like pay attention.
You know
Like,
exactly
Like, what do you need a TV? What do you need a TV for? It's fine.
and then the glass. I don't want to touch that.
Like from this, like literally standing here in my glass.
I don't know what that is.
It's TV screens on the floor.
For what though? What do you?
That's hard to find. I feel like nowadays.
That was a
I know
beat.
they've been following us the whole time.
So the paintwork you get is
Nice.
on collision repair.
not gonna get you in it. Oh, you smacking on your sandwich. This shit's hard, bro. We heard you air out.
That was me.
That was him.
Oh, that was you?
Oh. His is quiet.
I kept mine inside because I didn't want all the.
We need to run that outside.
I know.
It's dirty. We was out racing last night.
It's got like 1 minute.
The exhaust coming out the hood, bro. Damn! He's like, what about me? What about me? I'm coming! Guys, slow down. Bro, look at, what is this?
Bro, it's made out of glass. Glass intake, bro. Cold glass intake.
Bro. Look inside, bro.
That bitch is gutted.
Gutted. Gutted.
Helmet.
That took a couple weeks.
Gutted. Awesome BBWs. How you doing, sir?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. All right.
Good. Can't even get the side exhaust.
That's a Cobra?
Yeah. I don't know whether to like that guy or hate him. Bro, look how big the engine, I mean the hood is.
Fit that V10, boy. Look at the rims are different.
Yeah, they're different. Oh, well, let's say you do it on top.
This shit hard.
Like, look at that. Like, that is so cool.
That's a V8.
That's fun. 240, bro.
That's the fuck out.
I would daily one of these, bro.
Oh god, this shit
Like,
hard
what?
too.
Oh my god, even one of them, bro. Shit.
This shit. Yeah, it's hard. I like your car.
It's needed.
How you doing? My German brother. Like a car. It's clean. I heard that. Alright, they out. Get up on Revit. It does. Got the fuzzy dice. Just left the meet. Me and Joey about to go see what Chick-fil-A hitting for. We've been playing in traffic with this Huracan. And I hope he doesn't leave me, so we're about to see. His license plate says bullcrap. Huracans are so clean.